Sophia, can you say Elena?
Lena.
Can you say Oliver?
Daddy.
Buddy? Can you say Sophia?
Me.
You? Are you Sophia?
Yeah.
Where's Sophia? No, where's Sophia? Yeah. Who's this?
Me, mommy.
Your mommy? Yes. And who's that over there?
Daddy.
Daddy. Can you give Daddy a kiss? How does Daddy do kisses? Does he do like this?
Yeah.
Can you do that? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye, Daddy? Nope. Can you say be-bye? Nope. Do you want to say good night? Say night-night? You're done talking? You're done? Are you done now? Are you Audi? Uh-uh. All right. Can you wave? Okay. It's time for bed.